Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log out from Viber Android. Okay, so Viber does not offer a standard log out button. To log out, you must either deactivate your account or clear app data to unlink your account from the device. So you have to simply deactivate Viber. This will log you out and remove your account from this device only. How are you going to do that? So you have to log into your Viber, tap on the three dots or more at the bottom right corner. You have to click this one. And then here you have to scroll down and then you have to tap on settings. So scroll down here, tap on settings. And then here on settings, you have to look for account. So look for account. And then here on account, you have to look for a deactivate account. So in order for you to fully deactivate your account, which is also means you need to log out from Viber, all you have to do is enter your phone number if prompted and then tap on deactivate. So you need to enter your phone number right here in order for you to deactivate your account or simply log out from this specific device. Now, what happens if you're logged out from this device? Your Viber data is cleared, but your account still exists, just lag out from this device. Chats and media will be deleted from this device, so backup before is very needed. So once you have backup, you can also do the clear app data. This will also logs you out by removing Viber's local data. So again, just open Viber, tap more, go to settings, account, Viber backup now, and then after that, you can now deactivate your Viber account. So that's how easy it is to log out from Viber Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.